the 1 to the 1 to the 2 to the 3. You can run, but you really can't hide this time. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood. Moteratos, the vampire, is coming to suck your blood. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood. He's very fast. He'll bite your neck. He'll bite your neck. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood. You can run, girl, but you can't really hide. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood. You can run, girl. You can run, girl. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood. You don't have any holy water or any shit. So Moteratos is coming to suck your blood with his sharp fangs and shit. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood. And he's going to get you before the sun comes up. Moteratos is gonna suck your blood. Yeah, he's sweet spotted. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood, girl. You might be mated, but Moteratos is coming to suck your blood, girl. On your neck, on your neck. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood. Here I come with the bongo drums. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood. Moteratos is going to suck your blood out of your booty, I don't care. Moteratos is going to suck your blood. That savage vampire is going to suck your blood. Moteratos. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood. How, it's the wall. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood. Have a crazy Halloween. Moteratos is coming to suck your blood.